Acer PNY NVIDIA T1000 8GB. Professional graphics power for compact workstations. Struggling with sluggish graphics on your workstation? Integrated GPUs and low memory cards leave you frustrated, lagging through 3D models, CAD assemblies, and video projects. Wasted time, stuttering visuals, and constant freezes block your workflow, making productivity feel impossible. It's like trying to paint a masterpiece with half the colors missing. Everything feels slow, inefficient, and frustrating. Deadlines loom, client expectations climb, and your workstation's limitations start to hurt your reputation. Every complex model, multi-monitor setup, or high-resolution dataset becomes a battle. Slow rendering, missed frames, and system instability push stress levels higher. The frustration grows as you juggle incomplete visuals and outdated hardware, making even routine tasks painfully slow and anxiety-inducing. The Acer PNY NVIDIA T1000 8GB graphics card is a professional-grade solution designed to transform compact workstations. Built on NVIDIA's Turing architecture, it features 896 CUDA cores and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, delivering the power needed for complex 3D models, CAD designs, and multi-monitor setups. Its low-profile, single-slot design fits small form factor systems without compromise. Certified NVIDIA RTX Enterprise drivers ensure stability and compatibility with professional software like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Revit, and Siemens NX, eliminating crashes and glitches. With 4 DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, it supports up to 4 simultaneous high-resolution displays, even 5K setups, expanding your visual workspace. DisplayPort with audio simplifies setup, while NVIDIA Mosaic technology and RTX Desktop Manager software enhance multi-monitor management. One user shared how installing the T1000 in a tight Dell Optiplex workstation transformed their workflow. 3D orbiting, panning, and rendering became fluid. Complex assemblies loaded instantly, and multiple 4K monitors ran seamlessly, all without an extra power connector. Its power-efficient design keeps workstations cool and quiet while delivering professional-level performance. The T1000 elevates compact workstations to professional-grade performance, delivering seamless, reliable graphics without compromise. Users rave about the difference. Panning complex CAD models is buttery smooth, and the 8 GB memory eliminates all lag, one engineer reports. Analysts note its low-profile, single-slot design as a standout feature for SFF deployments, while IT professionals praise its energy efficiency and plug-and-play installation. Multi-monitor setups thrive on 4 DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, allowing simultaneous 4K or 5K displays, perfect for financial dashboards, design studios, or control rooms. Certified RTX Enterprise drivers guarantee software stability across AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Revit, avoiding costly crashes. The card's Turing architecture provides advanced shading and graphics capabilities for 2D and 3D workloads, while NVIDIA Mosaic and RTX Desktop Manager simplify multi-display management. Reviewers highlight its quiet operation, low TDP, and minimal power draw, making it ideal for dense office environments or energy-conscious workspaces. Influencers and designers also emphasize its ability to deliver professional rendering performance in a compact footprint, proving that size doesn't limit capability. Whether modeling, visualizing, or editing, the T1000 ensures smooth workflows, precise detail, and rapid rendering. Curious how a small card can drive huge productivity gains? Users consistently describe it as transformative, reliable, and indispensable for modern professional workstations. Don't wait. Upgrade your workstation with the Acer PNY NVIDIA T1000 8GB today. Limited stock is moving fast, so secure yours now and join countless professionals who've accelerated their CAD, 3D, and multi-monitor workflows. Experience certified drivers, Turing architecture performance for high-resolution DisplayPort outputs, and quiet, power-efficient operation. Act now to eliminate lag, enhance productivity, and unlock the full potential of your compact workstation. This is your chance to power professional applications like never before. Don't miss out.